Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. So, welcoming you all to our new channel dailydose.com. So, yet again, we are here with one new video, and the topic of today's video is completely different. You haven't seen one before in our channel, I can promise you that. And if you ask me that what is the video is all about, then one thing I can tell you, since Diwali is approaching, we are also live with certain new DIY things, and that is one thing that we will be showing you today. So without further introduction, let's come to the point about what we are creating the video today. That is, we all have a number of bottles, used bottles in our house, maybe plastic bottles, maybe glass bottles. So we have taken one such glass bottle today, and with that we have tried to give it some color, give it some new aesthetics, and make it bright, and put some lights inside it and make it very bright and beautiful. And that's all about it. So you can understand what I am talking about. So since I am using today a glass bottle, it's like more like a conical beaker or a conical flask with elongated neck. So this is one chemistry lab wala object belonging to my father. So I have actually taken it from my father and I'm using it over here because it has a huge surface, so I can actually show you brilliantly. And over here what I have this camel glass painting colors. I hope it is visible. So 6 colors, and for bordering I have this marker in black. So this I'll be using and I'll be decorating the surface. It will be very easy. I just understand amateur people can also try. Of course pros can do something better. I am not knowing a lot about glass painting. For me also, I'm just starting for it. So probably next time when I come, I might show you something even better than this. So let's get started. And since Diwali is all about light, with painting, along with painting this particular bottle, I'll also make sure that how it looks when I put some light inside it. Okay, so let's start. So basically, if you can see, I have started from the bottom of the neck portion, and I'm gently pressing this tube in order to bring out the black shade from it, and gradually I'll be making some random shape. It should not be something like all are equal in size or shape. It can be too much abrupt, the way you like it. Complete freedom to you all. So I'll also start doing in the same way. I'll just keep on making a random shape, the shape that I want. I hope it is visible. Now if you see, adding the color, the black border basically to the neck part is essential, because otherwise it won't look complete. Yes, so my structure is done. So I never actually thought, I just thought to give it some randomness, random shape, but it turned out to be a shape of fish scales. So this being done, you are all knowing, right, what will be our next task. So yes, let's come back after a while. So okay, we are back with our bottle. So now it is the time to color it. It has almost dried, but there are certain portions which are not yet dried where the color was a little more. So I'll make sure that I won't touch those parts and try to finish it off. So one rule I have made basically the colors, all the colors available, 6 colors available in front of, go in search of colors often. So with all the 6 colors, the basic target is like that. I'll pour and some fair quantity of the color in one section, and I have one angled fluffy brush. It is one makeup brush. I had plenty, so I took one, and this basically I use whenever I paint. For glass painting, I use this brush to spread the color, because if I put this color only in that section, so it will just try to drop in and ruin the entire creation. So that's why always make sure that whenever you are dropping the color, you are evening it out with a brush. So I'll do that now. I'll put some color over here. You can see I have used quite much amount. I have taken a red shade. I'll just try to spread it over here. So one thing is there, that whenever you are applying the color, whenever you are dropping the color from the bottle, you should make sure that how much color you should pour, because otherwise the same problem appears, you know. So it's always better. So this red part is done quite well. We'll move on to some other color.
मुझे पता था ये बुक्कड़ सब खा जाएगा। थैंक यू।
चेंज नहीं है।
अब
फोन तो है ना, तो अमेज़न भी होगा।
अमेज़न से पेमेंट।
अमेज़न से किसी भी क्यूआर कोड से पे किया ना, तो ढेर सारे रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेंगे।
रिवॉर्ड मिल गया? आइसक्रीम? गुड मॉर्निंग।
यार आइसक्रीम भी ले आता ना चिंदी।
आइसक्रीम चाहिए ना? ये ले आइसक्रीम।
अमेज़न से पेमेंट करो और ढेर सारे रिवॉर्ड्स पाओ। अब बड़ा होगा रुपया।
चड्डे दिवाली है, पार्टी प्लेलिस्ट बजा।
फिर पार्टी?
पार्टी? चड्डा मैं तुमको आरती बोला था ना? आरती प्लेलिस्ट। ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है चड्डा।
इस दिवाली आरती हो या पार्टी, प्लेलिस्ट चला स्पॉटिफाई सुनते जा।
So आँका मोटा मोटी शेष. So now I am going to show you how it is looking like. So this is it, with the variety of colors. Okay. I kept this part empty itself, because otherwise it will look too much color that I didn't want. Now what I am doing is sticking inside this or to give you a visual treat. Wait for 2 minutes. So you have seen how to paint, being an amateur also, how you can paint one glass vessel and you can turn it out into something, you know, useful and good looking stuff, good looking showpiece. Then I have also shown you how to paint it. Then next week I showed you the complete painting, and finally it's time to light it up, because that was our target for Diwali. So without any wait, let's see. So yes, this is what my target was and what I accomplished. I'm very happy. Such bright colors inside. I've basically put one pot light inside, and it's multicolored light, so that's why it is illuminating so much. Here we have one more. So see, this bottle I didn't do any painting, I just picked it up. Not being used in the house for long, I just picked it up, put some color, put some lights inside it, and that's it. So as of now we have 2 bottles ready for Diwali. So I just cannot wait for Diwali to come and usher and, you know, bless us with everything that's good and discard all not like something, that also please let me know, because you know, the more number of comments I get, the more number of encouragement I get or critics I get, I'll take everything positively, because once you start moving in a track of your life, something new of course to you. So for that, probably in the first go I won't be successful, second go I might fail as well, but your comments, your good wishes, your pinpoint description and pinpoint analysis and scrutiny might help me to proceed forward. So with that, guys, bye bye. Yes, this is what has happened while I was trying to bring out the green color. It just came out like a lot quantity, and this is what has happened. Anyways, so you must be knowing, once we paint, this is part and parcel of it. Anyways, so with so much light and everything, I'm wishing you all a very happy Diwali, happy Dhanteras and everything. I'll definitely come up with another set of videos about painting, creating a rangoli, creating one more diya in mandala art. Then the next thing that I'll come up with, probably dressing up in Diwali. Lot many things I have in my box, so gradually I'll come up with them, but for that I need your good wishes, I need your love, I need your affection, I need your blessing, and of course I need your comments. So keep watching dailydose.com. Please do subscribe to our